Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bites from Chitra Cars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe to the channel, and write your comments in the comment box. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today, when summer is come, everyone is worried how the heat is and how the heat in your car is also there. When you park the car outside in the sun, the heat can raise up to 70 degrees temperature inside your car. And never sit in a hot car with that temperature. And the best way to see that heat in your car is reduced. Number one, park your car in a shade or buy a cover for your car and protect your car with the cover. The paint is also protected from dust and as well as the heat which generates inside in the temperature. So best cover when you go to buy a cover in the shop, you'll ask him to give me the best thick and long running, the cover should last for long is the intention. You ask the shopkeeper to give the cover. He gives you a fat cover with good money. He'll tell the price is because the thick and the price is high. Don't buy that kind of covers. When you put it and remove it, there's a lot of scratches which will happen on the paint and it damages your car paint. Best cover to buy is thin and soft material. To remove it will be easy, to put it will be easy, and it protects you the car from the heat, and as well as the paint of the car is protected. It looks like new. So this thin material cover might last for 1 year or 2 years. Don't worry about it. Use thin and soft material cars, and the temperature in the car also will be reduced. This is the cover what you should buy in summer for your car. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.